If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Vicky May crossbody bag, a Studio 7T7 pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it has two zipper compartments in the front here, double zipper closure for this pocket. And it's a nice, it's hard to see because it's black, nice large pocket there. Another double zipper closure for the main compartment. And in this one, we have a generous slip pocket as well as a zipper pocket. And for a small bag, if you can see that, she is quite roomy. It is a crossbody bag, as you can see, small to medium in size, the perfect everyday bag. So it can be made in cottons, it can be made in vinyls, it can be made in corks, it can be made in leather, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in anything your heart desires. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, till the next one. Bye.